how to use your foot to give yourself a foot massage. Let's give it a shot. So lean back onto your hands so the weight of your body is in your arms. Bring one leg forward and open out the knee so that when you do that, and gauge how close or far away you need it to be so that you're comfortable. Once you have that, you're trying to expose the sole and the inner arch of your foot. You're going to bring the opposite heel to that place. Now what? To bring some pressure, go ahead and bring the top of your foot, your toes towards your shin. This is called dorsiflexion. So dorsiflex your foot. And right away, you can feel more weight transfer through your heel into the foot that's the receiver. Move down an inch, do it again. Flex your ankle and hold. Move down an inch, flex your opposite ankle and hold. Do this a few times. Make sure your receiving leg is relaxed. The opposite ankle is getting like a little bit of a strength workout, engaging through the fronts of the shins. Good. Now if that's nice, but you want more pressure, you're going to find a spot, flex your foot up, press your hands down, slowly start to lift your hips off. Now I feel more pressure. So hands, the weight is in my hands. I'm only feeling pressure from angling my foot up. I press my hands down to lift my hips up. Now more pressure. I'm not pressing down with my foot. All I'm doing is lifting my seat off. You want even more pressure, send your hips forward. Super good. Release back, lower down, and then switch. Go to another place, a little lower. Lift your hips. If you want more pressure, slowly start to shift your hips forward. Release back down. All right, I hope you enjoyed this amazing tips for self-foot massage. Take care.